After exactly 10 episodes of drifting around the globe, we are returning to Scandinavia to make yet another fish delicacy, this time from Norway. Loikeito set a high bar, so my expectations are great. I imagine this is the type of soup Vikings used to eat before going on some light pillaging and plundering expeditions to England or Ireland. It's light, creamy, nutritious, and easily digestible, and as delicious as it looks. Fiskesuppe has deep roots in Norway coastal regions, where fishing has been a central part of daily life for thousands of years. The dish likely originated as a way to use fresh fish caught from the sea, turning simple ingredients into hearty meal. The soup base is often fish stock made from fish bones and heads, which adds a deep, savory flavor and makes the dish not only delicious but also an excellent way to reduce food waste. Fish was a key part of the medieval diet in Norway, especially during religious fasting periods when eating meat was prohibited. This made it an ideal meal for both ordinary people and the clergy, who had dietary restrictions all year round. The publication of Norwegian cookbooks in 1800s helped standardize many traditional recipes we use today. Fiskesuppe appeared in these cookbooks as an essential part of Norwegian cuisine, solidifying its place in national diet. We start cooking by heating butter. When it's melted, add leek and garlic. While on high heat, stir it until they both get brownish. Then add fish stock and flour. Flour is usually added while you are frying leek and garlic, but I prefer it this way. Add heavy cream and our chopped vegetables. Use 2 bay leaves and fresh dill if you have it. I added dry one instead. Cook on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. Add sour cream, bring back to simmer, and then add fish. I go salmon first, cod second, and shrimp third. Cook for just 5 minutes more on a lower heat, and soup is ready for serving and enjoying. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments below. As always, thanks for watching and I wish you all the best.